stuffed with very tasty fillings. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. On high flame, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Sauté for few seconds. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Sauté till light brown. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Sauté for approx 2 minutes. Add 1 finely chopped tomato. Add salt to taste. Cook until soft and pulpy. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add a 1/4 cup water. Cook until water dries out. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Cook it for 1 minute. Add coriander leaves. One teaspoon chaat masala. Cook for 1 minute. Switch off the flame and add some coriander leaves. Now filling is ready. Take pre-boiled eggs. Cut into halves. Spring salt. Sprinkle black pepper. Take Jus-Roll puff pastry sheet. This is easily available in supermarket. Defrost it first. Dust with flour. Roll it like this. Now cut into equal parts. Top it with filling in center. Place egg like this. Apply water at its edges. like this. Apply olive oil. Egg wash it. Set for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, just check it. It will be ready in 15 minutes. Crunchy and delicious egg puff ready. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.